Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. Today we have a 3-box penny hunt in hopes to complete our Lincoln Cents penny books. Now, last episode we found these 2 wheat cents and these couple coins. I picked up the books, so let's get those in here and let's start with the first box. So in the earlier series, last time we found this 1916. It's in really rough condition, but at least we found a teens. Then we also got a 1951S, and then we pulled out a nicer looking 1965 and a couple of toned 1970S and 1972. For these penny fills, I'm only gonna pull out the coins that look good. If they're dirty or scratched or anything, I'm not pulling them out. So let's open the first box, see if it's circulated, and we'll get started with the hunt. All right, it looks like it is circulated. I'm not seeing any enders. There does look to be like a lot of copper. Now, I know a lot of people take out the copper, and I've never done that before. I'm not sure what to do with the copper pennies I do pull out. Do I sell them somewhere? If you have an idea of what to do with these, let me know down in the comments, and I'll start pulling them out. So started with the first roll, and I'll bring you guys back if we find anything. All right, we're in roll number 10. We found our first wheat cent. It's the reverse up, so let's flip it over and see what date it is. It looks a little worn, so it could be an older one, but it could just be a damaged coin. Looks like it's a 1944 San Francisco, so we'll set that aside. That's our first find of the box. I'll continue with roll number 10. Continue with the hunt. All right, same roll, just a couple pennies later. We have another one that is the reverse up, so let's flip it over and see what it is. Looks like it's a 51 Denver. Yeah, 51 Denver. That's awesome that we have 2 wheat cents in the same roll, so I'll set that aside with the other one, and let's just finish going through this roll just to see if we have anything else. All right, doesn't look like it. Hoping we'd have a third one in there. But I'll continue with the next roll, and hopefully we can find a lot more. Roll number 12, and we just got our next wheat cent. It was reverse up as well. Doesn't look to be too damaged, so it's probably a newer one. Okay, it's a 1946 Denver. It's another find on the board. Let's have that with the other ones. Continue in the roll and see what else we can find. In roll number 14, we just got our next wheat cent, and it's a beauty. When I first saw it, I didn't realize it was a wheat cent, but it is a 1955 Denver. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's in BU condition. That's incredible. I've never found a wheat cent in this good of condition. That would definitely upgrade my personal album, but this is going in the book for this series. So I'll set that with our other wheat cents. We'll continue with the roll, and hopefully we can find some more in this beautiful condition. Let's continue with the hunt. Roll 37, I got our next wheat. It looks like it's gonna be a 1957 Denver wheat cents. Definitely not in as good condition as the 1955 I found. But a wheat cent is a wheat cent. We'll finish this roll and continue with the hunt. Roll number 41, and we just found another 1957 Denver wheat cent. We'll add it to the pile and continue with the hunt. I've been pulling out some of the non-wheats that I need, but I'll only put them in if I can't find a better looking one. We have found some nicer looking ones. Hopefully we can find some nice looking ones for all of the dates. If I don't find a better looking one in this hunt, I'll put these in the book, and the next hunt, I'll try to upgrade them. But for now, we'll finish this roll and continue with the hunt. Roll number 43, we just found a 1953 Denver. We'll add to the pile. We're starting to have a good stack of wheat cents, most of them we can add into our book, but I'll continue with the hunt. Roll number 49, we have another find. The reverse was up, so let's flip it over and see what year it is. It's another 1957D. I believe that's our third one, but I'll continue with the roll and see what else we can find. Okay, we just finished box number 1. We ended up with a total of 8 finds and one really beautiful looking one. But I'll continue with the second box of this episode and see what we can find. All right, we've had kind of a dry spell in the second box, but on roll number 32, we found our first wheat of the box. It looks like it's a 1958 Denver. The last year of the wheat cents. So I'll add that to the board, continue with this box. It's definitely been a lot of the newer ones. Oh, just 1980, looked older. This box has mainly been more of the newer ones, as you can see here. So it hasn't been as many finds, but hopefully we can find some more in the rest of this box. I'll update you guys if I find something. In roll 35, we just got another wheat cent. Let's flip it over and see what the date is. Looks like it's a 1919 Philadelphia. You can see that in the light there. We keep getting some older finds, and that's awesome. We'll set that with the other wheat cents and continue with the hunt. In roll number 40, we just found a 1951 Denver, so let's add it to the pile and continue hunting. Just finished box number 2, got a couple finds. Let's start box number 3, and hopefully we can get some more finds. So I'll open this up, see if it's circulated. Struggling. All right, it looks like it is circulated, so we'll start going through it, and hopefully we can find some more wheats. In roll number 9 of the 3rd box, we found our first wheat cent. Flip it over. It looks like it's a 1941 Philadelphia. We'll add it to our stack of wheat cents, and we'll continue with the hunt. In roll number 25 of box number 3, we just found our next wheat cent. It's a 1946 Denver. So we'll add that to the pile and continue with the hunt. Just a couple rolls later, we found another wheat cent. The reverse was up, so let's flip it over and see what date it is. Looks like it's a 56 Denver. We'll add it to the pile, continue this roll, and continue with the hunt. Roll number 40, we just got another find. It was actually an ender, but I didn't check the ends on the bottom of the box, so I missed it. Let's flip it over and see what it is. Looks like it's a 1944. It still has a lot of luster on it. It's a beautiful coin. Not as good as that 1955 we found, but still better looking than what we usually find. But we'll finish the roll and continue with the hunt. Roll number 48, we just found another wheat cent. The reverse is up, so let's flip it over and see what the date is. It looks like it is a 1952 Philadelphia. So we'll get it put in the pile, we'll continue to roll, and hopefully we can find a couple more before the end of this box. I just finished box number 3, so I'll get this all sorted and I'll do a quick recap. Okay, for a quick recap, this section of coins are the non-wheat cents that I still need for the album. So you can see we have a couple better looking ones, but most of these aren't looking great. So next boxes, I'll definitely be looking to upgrade these ones. But for the wheat cents, we got a 58 Denver, 3 1957 Denvers, a 1956 Denver, a 1955 Denver, and it's looking really nice, really shiny on the back, a little bit of damage on the front, but all in all, it's a beautiful coin. We also got a 1953 Denver, a 1952 Philadelphia, 2 1951 Denvers, 2 1946 Denvers, a 1944 San Francisco, a 1944 Philadelphia that also has a lot of luster, not as much as the 1955 though. And then we also got a 1941 Philadelphia and a 1919 Philadelphia. And the back isn't as worn as I thought it would be. All in all, it was a great hunt, so I'll get these into the coin album. I'll give you guys an update. Okay, I got the coins put into the books. Between the two books, there are 178 slots, and we've just filled 39 of them. So, in this earlier one, from 1909 to 1940, we have the 1916 and the 1919. But not a lot else in this book. Most of them are going to be in the newer dates. And it's starting to look a little fuller. It's also nice to see some really beautiful BU looking coins. Hopefully we can get all of these ones looking that nice as well. And next hunt, hopefully we can fill a lot more slots. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and as always, happy hunting. Ciao.